Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: license server reachable, solver binaries present, and your input file format matches Dyna expectations. Next, place your K or DIN input file in a clean working folder and export any required material or boundary files. Once done, set the environment variables and update path so the solver is callable from the terminal. Then run a quick version check to ensure the executable runs and the license checks out before launching any heavy analyzes. Now configure execution parameters. Pick the correct binary for your hardware, single process or MPP for distributed runs, and set memory and thread limits. Prepare the command line using flags like I for input, O for results, and M for the message log, and add any MPI launcher if running on a cluster. Start the solver and watch the message file in real time. The log shows energy balances and warnings. If performance matters, tweak nodal output frequency and time step controls to balance size versus detail. Finish by confirming your output files generated correctly: D3 plot for results, D3 HSB for history, and the message file for run diagnostics. Then post-process with your visualization tool to inspect displacements, stresses, and energy histories. Make sure conservation checks pass. If the run aborts or results look wrong, enable debug controls, reduce the time step or hourglass settings, and rerun a short model to isolate the issue. A common fix is increasing solver robustness or simplifying contact definitions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.